before we start this video, make sure you guys follow me on Twitter at DanTheMan, and make sure you send me send me a message in the comments down below that you did, because I'll try to respond to as many of you guys as possible. Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is Daniel. Welcome back to another video, and welcome to another vlog video. And guys, hold on. Can I turn on some music? There we go. Anyway, guys, how's everybody doing? I'm back, and I got a little bit of an update. Like, before I start my Let's Plays and everything, I just want to give a little bit of something real quick. First off, hold on, let me stop the sound. Okay, there we go. First off, I do want to give a little bit of an update that I'm sorry if I haven't been making videos in a while. It's just I've been spending time with my family, my dog, and playing games without recording. But I'll get to that. And I got this mic right here. See, looks cool, huh? I mean, I know it's not an actual YouTube mic, but my mom gave it to me because she thought this would be nice, and I hope you guys like it too. So, I mean, I looked at my videos and I looked at my videos and I'm like, is that what I sound? Is that what I sound like? And I'm like, no way. There's no way everyone would make fun of me for doing that, you know? Anyway, before I start talking about my vlog and everything, make sure you guys follow me on Twitter. So please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Help me make it to 1,000 subs. Hit the bell for all notifications and pretty much everything else. You know. Now on to the updates. I mean, I did give a little bit of an update of this, but I am gonna mention one thing real quick. Like, I want to do this little vlog to give all of you an explanation about what's happening and everything else. And let's see, where is it? Oh yeah, it's right here. So as you guys can see, here's my entire screen recording. Ignore these. I'll talk about those in another video. Anyway, you guys see OBS right here? Now stupid. Sorry. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Anyway, guys, hold on. All right. Anyway, so I know you guys have seen like my recording and everything. I have been using OBS a little bit. I mean, not really using it. If you guys see down below, like very down to the left bottom, you'll see something that says screen recording. I can't remember the name of it. And sorry if that's there, guys. I just wanted to show you guys what I'm using, cause I have been using OBS for a little bit, trying to figure out how to get myself here and the games itself, but it's been a little bit of a rough road. But one day at my school, my teacher, Coach Scotty, which I gave him a shout out by the way, he we were doing this little project thing for something. I can't remember what it was, but he showed us how to do this, and I'm like, this is new. And then when I saw like the options to upload to YouTube, I thought maybe, hey, you know what? I could do that. So sad news. So good news and bad news, guys. I'll start with the bad news a little bit. The bad news is I don't think I'm going to use OBS anymore because I can't figure out how to get myself and the game together. I mean, I know how to get myself on here. Just click on one of these, the buttons. So, see you later, OBS. Instead, why not I use this entire camera thing, that says down here and everything else. Alright, the music stopped. But anyway, yeah. Again, guys, I'm sorry if I haven't been active or whatever, but I will make it up to you guys with this little update. So I'm going to make this quick. I am also about my screen recording thing that I'm using right now. I I am thinking of upgrading it a little bit so there could be computer audio and my videos from 15 minutes to longer. Cause yes, my other videos have gone for 15 minutes or whatever, but besides that, there's more of what I'm working on. So to make it up to everyone for having been making any videos and vlogs and stuff, I will do a let's play tomorrow because tomorrow's a new day, like they always say. Um, and besides that, I'm still keeping my promise to do let's plays of Five Nights at Freddy's and possibly some other games. I can't decide what, maybe Fortnite or whatever. And I am thinking of doing my very first live stream sometime. I want to save that for the future because I'm really hoping to make it to 1,000 subs before 2019 ends. Not that I'm saying I'm pushing all of you. Not that I'm saying I'm pushing all of you to forcing you all to help to sub to me. I just want to know what being a new YouTuber is like, cause there is these three play buttons. There's the silver play button, the gold play button, and the diamond play button. Those are pretty cool. But guys, I have one quick question. I mean, I know there might be the ruby play button because PewDiePie and T-Series have that. I'm still making my song about that, by the way. Think. But I was wondering, is there such thing as a bronze play button? Because I haven't gotten any bronze play button. I heard you can get that if you make. Can you get that if you make it to 100,000 or 10,000 subs? Cause that'd be really cool to have, you know. Music. All right, there we go. Yeah, let me know in the comments down below. Also, I do want to make a Ask Daniel or Dan the Man series where you guys ask me questions and stuff. So feel free to comment down below, you know, feel free to ask me any questions in the comments down below and I'll respond to as many of you guys as possible, like answer them, 'cause that'd be fun. I mean, if Annoying Orange and Liam the Leprechaun did do an Ask series, why not I make one too? Because, I like to ask questions and everything. And, I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog so far because I want to give it a little bit of an update of my YouTube channel and then I'll finally do Let's Plays. Bottom of my heart, cross my fingers, not behind them, in front, and, everything else. By the way, yeah, I don't know what else to say right now except maybe a little goodbye. I hope you all understand that I am going through a little bit of a rough life, but I'll do anything for my friends and fans who helped me made it to 1,000, I mean 100 subs back in 2018 before the year ended. Now I have to make it to 1,000 in 2019 or whatever. And I want to give some shout outs before I end this video. Okay, first I want to give a shout out to right here. A few new shout outs. First off, I want to give a shout out to my friend Box Boxy, channel Box Boxy. For those of you that might or might not know who he is, he's this YouTuber who does these pretty cool drawings and coloring and all that. Look at my friend. Look at my man. He's at 27 subs because I subbed to him. By the way, sub to my man and everything else. P.S. I do have a Steam account. I am on Steam, so you guys can feel free to be my friends and play games with me whenever you want. By the way, I'm always available on Team Fortress 2 because that's a pretty cool game to play. I will do Let's Plays of that, by the way. Yeah. So, Channel Box Boxy and I are really good friends, and he makes these pretty cool videos, you know, like like Bendy's like Ink Illness. I'm ba- I'm back. That's nice, and everything else. Yeah, shout out to him. Oh wait, what? And never mind. And a shout out to my friend Brian, and because he's the one who kept motivating me to get a mic, and I'm like, dude, my audio's not bad. Cause Brian, if you're watching this, I I took your word, and I thought about it, and I have a mic and everything else. And wait, where's my dog Susie's not available right now. She's busy or whatever. So yeah, guys, I don't know if there are any shoutouts right now. I do mean I know those were small shoutouts, but I hope you guys enjoyed them and everything else. Also, what else was I talking about? I think it was nothing else. Yeah, anyway. So yeah, guys, that is the end of this update I want to give for everyone. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Follow me on Twitter. I am thinking of putting myself on Instagram because everyone seems to love Instagram. I'll think about putting myself on there, you know? So I hope everybody enjoyed this vlog, cuz I want to share to everyone about what I'm doing, and I'm still saving my future videos to make videos with other YouTubers if I ever get to meet them. Do you guys know how I will meet everyone? I mean, I'm hoping when it gets to the summer, like June, July, and August, I am thinking of maybe a little visit to VidCon because that's where all the YouTubers are. Like if I meet them, I get to make videos with them. How would you guys like that? And I know 118 of you have like my videos a little bit. I mean, I know the audio quality was a little shabby, I'll admit that, but I thought it was fine for while it lasted. So yeah, guys, like I said before, follow me on Twitter at Dan the Man. Please, forgot my words. Sorry. And I hope you guys enjoyed the music in the background that I'm using with my phone, cause you know it's good to have a little something. Oh yeah, you hear that, don't you? I don't know why I made that. Anyway, guys, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you thought this video was awesome, and then kick that like button right in the face, like that. Please subscribe to my channel too. And as always, I will see you guys next time in the next video. Goodbye, everybody. Bye.